Hello, good night. This is my oral presentation, English Level 2. 1. Introduce myself. 2. Tell about my travel experience in Chinacota. 3. The weather in Chinacota. 4. Recommendation if you go to Chinacota. My presentation. My name is Eucaris Arevalo Salcedo. I am 29 years old. I was born in Convention, north of Santander. I am teacher of biology and chemistry of School Juan Pablo in the city of Cúcuta. I live with my husband and my daughter and my pet. My life. I like go to cinema. I like ice cream. I like to cook. My travel experience in Chinacota is beautiful. This last weekend I went to a cabin in Chinacota. I stayed there since Friday and I went back on Sunday when with my husband and my daughter. The rent of the place was 300,000 pesos for 3 days. I like to go to this beautiful tourist town because it is an hour and a half from my home city of Cúcuta. Besides, it is cool and you can breathe fresh air. You can also appreciate the wonder of nature. What I like most about the place were the recreational and arts and their nature landscape are located. This or recommendation. When traveling to Chinacota, it is important to bring warm clothing. When it rains, it is advisable not to travel to this town due to landslides on the road. It is recommended to bathe before and after using the pool. It is important to wear a closed shoe for ecological walks. It is a good idea to bring enough liquid for walk. It is recommended that children do not enter the pool alone. It is necessary to leave the cabin in complete order. It is a good idea to use sunscreen the visit to the Iscala farm. What people should do. 1. You should try the delicious strawberries white cream. 2. I should visit the Hill of the Gold. 3. I should take a walk on the main park. 4. I should visit the Caney Lagoon. 5. I should have a lunch at the restaurant The Farm. 6. I should take a tour of the Iscala farm. What people should not do. 1. Should not travel in the rainy season. 2. It is better not wear very low-cut clothing. 3. Should not smoke on ecological walks. 4. You should not throw garbage on the floor. 5. You should not let without drink the typical sweet. 6. It is better not to leave your vote for the ecological walls. Thank you very much. Bye bye.